Apple's iOS 26 has everyone talking, but not for the reasons you'd think. Apple's latest iOS 26 update has arrived, and with it comes the bold, polarizing liquid glass design. https://mashable.com article/iOS 26 release date download phone. As expected, users are divided. Love it or hate it, the internet is buzzing with opinions about the new elastic animations, semi-translucent app designs, and the revamped dark mode, which, by the way, has left many scratching their heads over how to toggle it on and off. https://mashable.com/article/iOS 26 liquid glass dark mode tilted icons. But here's where it gets controversial. The relocation of the search bar to the bottom of the screen has sparked frustration, with some users calling it a step backward in usability. Muscle memory, it seems, doesn't adapt overnight. While some users are raving about the expanded customization options for home screens and group chats, others are complaining about readability issues and cluttered screens. And this is the part most people miss. iOS 26's accessibility settings offer clever workarounds for many quirks, like adjusting app transparency and movement. But the search bar's new position remains stubbornly fixed. Almost. Here's the workaround you've been waiting for. While you can't move the search bar to the top system-wide, you can adjust its position in Safari. Here's how. Total time, 2 minutes. What you need, an iPhone. Go to Settings, your gateway to customization. Scroll or search for Safari, the browser where the magic happens. Scroll to Tabs, a hidden gem in the settings. Select Top, and just like that, the search bar is back where it belongs. In Safari, you'll find 3 options. Compact, a smaller centered bar. Bottom, the default. And Top, the classic choice. But here's the kicker. Why hasn't Apple extended this flexibility system-wide? Is it a deliberate design choice or an oversight? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We're curious to hear if you're Team Top or Team Bottom. For those who can't stand the bottom-placed search bar, there's a nuclear option. Disable Spotlight Search entirely from the home screen. https://www.macobserver.com/tips. Move search bar to the top on iPhone. But let's be honest. That's like throwing the baby out with the bathwater. And this is the part most people miss. Apple's design decisions often spark debate, but they also push us to rethink how we interact with technology. Is the bottom search bar a step forward in innovation or a misstep in usability? Share your take below. We're all ears.